The whispers in the crypto corridors are getting louder. Elon Musk, the man who turns tweets into tidal waves, has been stirring the pot again with Shiba Inu. Analysts are buzzing, communities are rallying, and the charts are hinting at something big brewing. But hold on, what exactly did Elon do with Shiba Inu this time? Let's dive into the frenzy that's got everyone from Silicon Valley to Shib Army on high alert. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. As of November 3rd, 2025, Shiba Inu is trading near the 960 units, reflecting a dip of close to 5% over the past day amid broader market jitters. The 24-hour trading volume stands at $150 million, showing steady interest despite the pullback, while the overall market capitalization hovers over $5.6 billion. Sentiment trackers indicate a bullish lean from the community, even as fear and greed indexes sit in the low 30s, signaling caution but underlying optimism as token burns accelerate and institutional eyes turn toward meme coins. In the span of just 2 weeks, Elon Musk has woven Shiba Inu into the fabric of his latest ventures and public musings, sparking a ripple effect across the meme coin ecosystem. The catalyst kicked off in late October with the launch of Grokpedia, XAI's bold AI-powered challenger to Wikipedia, where searches unexpectedly redirect users to the iconic Shiba Inu internet meme, a playful nod that lit up social feeds and trading floors alike. Just days earlier, on October 20th, Musk shared an AI-generated video featuring his own Shiba Inu pup, Floki, humorously dubbing the dog the CEO of X, which echoed his past Dogecoin pumps and sent waves through dog-themed tokens. Capping this whirlwind, Musk's November 2nd interview statement drew a clear line: no active crypto promotions from him, but a confessed soft spot for Dogecoin, and by extension, the dog meme culture that birthed Shiba Inu due to his love for pups and internet humor. These moves aren't overt endorsements, but in Musk's world, subtlety is the spark that ignites volatility. On-chain and social metrics paint a vivid picture of the stir. Reports show a 12% uptick in large holder activity for Shiba Inu following the Grokpedia reveal, with over 2.5 trillion tokens shifting from exchanges to cold storage in the last 72 hours, hinting at accumulation amid the buzz. Data shows a corresponding burn surge. Nearly 8 million Shiba Inu tokens vanished from circulation on November 2nd alone, a 208% jump from the weekly average, timed perfectly with the ETF filing news, but amplified by Musk's meme infusion. Platform analytics reveal over 450,000 mentions of Elon Musk Shiba Inu since October 20th, a 300% spike, with sentiment analysis tools clocking 68% positive vibes, far outpacing neutral Dogecoin chatter. Exchange inflows dropped 15%, suggesting holders are HODling tight as Musk's shadow looms large. Experts are dissecting these events like a high-stakes chess match. One crypto analyst notes that Musk's Grokpedia redirect to the Shiba Inu meme isn't random. It's a cultural anchor that reinforces Shiba Inu's lore as the Dogecoin killer, potentially drawing XAI's 50 million users into the ecosystem and boosting adoption metrics by 20 to 30% over the next quarter. Another adds that the AI video's timing amid XAI's Grok updates positions Shiba Inu as a symbolic bridge between tech innovation and meme virality, with historical parallels to 2021's 40,000% rally, when Musk's dog tweets first electrified the space. On the flip side, skeptics warn that Musk's November 2nd disclaimer could temper hype, as his pivot to no pumping might signal a cooling on speculative assets, though his Dogecoin affinity keeps the door cracked for indirect lifts. Overall, analysts peg this as a sentiment amplifier rather than a direct catalyst, with Shiba Inu's utility upgrades like Shibarium's Layer 2 scaling providing the real backbone. The Shib Army roared back to life, flooding X with memes and theories tying Grokpedia's Shiba Inu nod to a covert roadmap hint. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama, ever the enigmatic figure, posted a cryptic emoji string dog rocket AI brain that garnered 150,000 likes, interpreted by fans as approval of Musk's cultural crossover. Influencers hailed the AI video as Musk's love letter to dog coins, predicting a 15% sentiment boost, while others amplified the interview clip, sparking debates on whether Musk's soft spot extends to Shiba Inu rivals. Community forums lit up with 5,000 new posts in 48 hours, blending excitement over the ETF filing with Musk-fueled speculation. Even Ethereum's co-founder chimed in indirectly via a blog update praising meme-driven innovation, a subtle wink that analysts say bolsters Shiba Inu's Ethereum roots. Dissenters in the Dogecoin camp grumbled about Shib stealing the spotlight, but the cross-pollination only amplified the buzz. Shiba Inu's price danced a volatile tango in response. Post-Grokpedia launch on October 28th, it surged 4% to near the 1020 units within hours, only to consolidate as Bitcoin wavered below its 200-day average. The October 20th AI video triggered a 2-day 7.2% climb, with trading volume spiking to $280 million, a level not seen since September's Shibarium upgrade, before settling amid profit-taking. Musk's November 2nd remarks introduced a 1% intraday dip, but on-chain flows tell a different story. Exchange reserves fell below 82 trillion tokens, a symbolic threshold signaling reduced sell pressure, and a 2.5% rebound by midday November 3rd. Broader meme coin indices rose 3.8%, with Shiba Inu outperforming Floki by 1.2 points, underscoring Musk's outsized influence on the sector. Options data shows implied volatility at 85%, up from 72%, as traders bet on the Musk multiplier. Looking ahead 1 week to 1 month, forecasts lean toward a measured recovery. Projections see Shiba Inu climbing 15% to near the 1104 units by November 30th, driven by sustained burns and ETF anticipation, assuming Bitcoin stabilizes above $95,000. Analysts eye a first target of 1070 units within days, citing the falling wedge breakout on daily charts and Musk's lingering meme momentum. Sentiment could flip bullish if XAI integrates more cultural references, potentially pushing volume to $200 million daily. Risks include a macro pullback if U.S. election rhetoric heats up, capping gains at 5%, but community trackers show 62% odds of green candles dominating the month. Over 3 months to 3 years, the horizon brightens with structural tailwinds. By early 2026, forecasts see Shiba Inu averaging near the 1,200 units, with peaks at 1,500 units, if Shibarium transaction fees fuel $50 billion in annual burns, slashing supply by another 5%. Envision a 2027 range of 1,800 to 2,500 units, propelled by DeFi integrations and potential Musk XAI synergies, like Grok-powered Shiba Inu analytics tools. By 2030, optimistic models project highs near the 3,200 units, assuming global adoption hits 100 million wallets and meme coins capture 2% of the $10 trillion crypto market. A scenario where Musk's soft spot evolves into ecosystem crossovers. Bear cases hover at 8 units if regulatory hurdles stall ETF approvals, but the tokenomics trajectory, with 410 trillion burned to date, positions Shiba Inu for resilience. And that's where the story stands for now. The market is watching closely because in crypto, every move matters. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.